We understand that the Trojan Pro GearCart 250 will change your life. We get that its sleek, expandable design and voluptuous curves and durable rear wheels will turn heads. And because it's so reliable, the GearCart 250 will be there for you at every gig. It'll know every line of every song. It'll be your greatest fan, and of course, the GearCart 250 will be there to carry the load when everyone else has abandoned you. But hey, don't fall in love, even if it is an amazing trolley. In fact, the new Trojan Pro GearCart 250 will carry up to 250 kilograms. That's approximately 550 pounds in old money. So that could be your PA, a couple of racks, cables, stands, a guitar, and maybe even a barrel of beer that you've stolen from your last gig. The collapsible handles fold down into a flatbed trolley and use an easy, quick foot release bar as well as locking wheels that can be operated by any band member wearing any style of footwear. The GearCart 250 is quickly expandable from 74 centimetres to 121 centimetres. Now that's the equivalent of maybe 2 fans that won't go home, or even 2 horn players that are still soloing an hour after the gig. Its rugged, hard-wearing wheels will also glide like a crowd-surfing singer across the toughest of terranes, and all without moaning about the weight of your vintage 65 Fender Twin. But remember, even though the Trojan Pro GearCart 250 is the best, the most hard-working, and arguably the sexiest trolley in the world, don't fall in love. It's still only a trolley.